Hello, this is Tina from Oakwood and I'm going to show you how to put together this Icraft flip fold album. It's quite a different album, so although you get the instructions, I think it's nice just to see how they go together. So first of all, what I do is I sort out my pieces. So you've got two little connectors, you've got a flip fold part, you have a page 1 and a page 2, and then you have the base. Okay, so also you have a little strap that goes around afterwards. So what I'm going to do is I've already popped my tape onto these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off of one side of the connectors, and I have my page 1 and my page 2 like that because I find it's easier. Okay, so let me take off the sticker. And then you have your page 1, your page 2 like this. So if you just fold them over, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece here, like that, and you're going to stick that to the edge like so. Okay, that's one page. You're going to do exactly the same on your page 2. So we're going to take one of these off the connectors. Again, we've got it folded like this, so on the smaller side we're going to take this and we're going to have that going along, let me see, yeah, going along the edge like that. Okay, so we have those now. Okay, like that. Then we take the base panel, and then we're going to undo the tape on the other side, and page 1 is going to slot in to this side like that. Okay, move that back over, and then you're going to have page 2, which is going to go on the other side. So you're going to end up with your base panel like that. You'd be able to see, if you go like that, you'll be able to see that you've got those two dividers there. So that will go back to there and that will go back to there. So that's what you should have, yeah, with your little side bits there as well. Then you take the flip flap part and the bigger section. So we'll take that off and we'll take that off, and then this covers your workings if you like. Pop it centrally there. So then you've got your flip flap part that comes down like that. You have your page 1 with its other little part there. You have your page 2 with its other little part there. And then you fold over your flip flap. So you can have it either way. And then you have this, which is your little thing that keeps it together, like your little belt if you like. So what I do is decorate it first. If you're going to decorate it, then decorate it first with your papers, because you don't want it to be too tight once you've done your page decorating. And then I'm just going to press that over like that. So there you go. That's your flip flap album. If we can see on the bottom on the box there, you can see how beautifully you can decorate this as well. So I'll just open it up for you so that you can see again. So page 1, page 2, and the flip flap. Okay, thank you.